Hi and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Litwick from Pokemon. Well, actually, it is a Pokemon. It's a little candle ghost thing. It's really intriguing because apparently if you look into its fire, your soul gets taken away. Whew, that got a little dark. But I seriously had to give a huge thank you to Sinister Psycho Chick for recommending this because otherwise I would not have done this. If you want to see how I created this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows, and I primed my lids and set it using Bump from the Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay. And today we're using the Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay. Okay, so taking the brush from the palette, the fluffier side, I'm going to take the shade Paranoia and just run that right above my crease. Okay, so now we're going to take the shade Delirious and we're going to run that just lower and kind of just fluffing it in and lightly on the outer third. This time I'm going in with a more regular brush of mine. Taking a dumb pencil brush, I'm going to dip into Sketch and just really focus that more in the crease and really defining the outer V. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to slightly blend this out all together. I do want to take Sketch a little bit more in on the eye, so I'm going to be taking Sketch, which was that second purple shade, and just really kind of like packing it in. And because we lost it, I'm going to be taking just a little bit of Paranoia, which was that first shade, that pink. And I'm going to be just blending it up again. Taking my L'Oreal True Match concealer, I'm actually going to slightly cut out the crease so that way I have a more defined line. And I'm going to be using my Kat Von D concealer brush to cut the crease. And whenever I am done cutting, I will be setting it with Bump, which is that original white shade. And you know what, just for the sake of being more like me, I'm actually going to take the shade Iced right here and pop that on as well. Okay, so now that I have Iced, well, Bump and Ice on here, I'm going to do the same thing on this eye off camera. I'm also going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara, false lashes, and I'm going to come back and I'll have a full face done. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We have the full face on. I actually am trying out the new, let me grab it real quick. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I got it in C6 and oh my gosh. I actually really love this color. I like the formula. It's very like, it's liquidy. I'm used to like the Kat Von D and it's a little thicker. This is thicker. This is more liquidy, but they both have like really good coverage. So I'm probably gonna mix and match with these. They're very similar in color actually, and I like it. But now we're gonna move back to the eyes. Taking my eyeliner brush, I'm going to take Platonic, which is a black, and just lightly do the outer third. And then going back through the other shades I used, so Delirious, Sketch, and Paranoia, I'm going to just blend those all along the lower lash line. I'm going to blend it out using my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. Taking my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, I'm going to be taking Amethyst and applying that to the inner corners. Okay, so for eyeliner in the waterline, I'll be taking this Collab Makeup Killer Kohl eyeliner in Siren. For mascara, I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big and using that for the lower lashes. So for lipstick today, I had a few ideas, but because of how like soft this look kind of looks, I'm not going with my original idea, which was Wet n Wild's Purple Panic, topped with this purple metallic liquid lipstick from Blackheart Beauty. So these two are not what I'm going to be using. Instead, I'm going to be using Veronica by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so now I'm actually going to let down my hair and set my face using my Milani Make It Last Setting Spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. I know on camera I'm looking a little pale. That's because the sun is like, all the lighting is a little weird, so trust me, this looks natural-ish. But I really love how this turned out. I have to give a huge thank you to Sinister Psycho Chick for recommending this video. Otherwise, I would not have thought to do this, and I love how this turned out. I honestly do. So I'm going to just say my usual spiel. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more, if you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, except thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.